Good morning, students. I Annappa H. Kotre, lecturer GPT Bidar. Hereby today going to present a topic on solar energy, Unit 2, Session 6. So, this solar greenhouse chapter contains first chapter was introduction, second types of the greenhouses, summer greenhouse, winter greenhouse, advantages of greenhouse, disadvantages of greenhouse, next multiple choice questions, conclusion and reference. Introduction. A greenhouse is a growth chamber which offers the facility of way around the plant's production. These are effective collectors. These can also be geared to the need of the rural, urban, suburban populations. The greenhouse attached to a residence creates pleasant improvement in the physical and mental environment of its occupants. Solar greenhouses are relatively easy to build with simple technology and low cost materials. A greenhouse is a structure covered with the transparent materials that utilizes solar radiance energy to grow plants. The types of greenhouses. The following are the types of greenhouses as shown here. First one, attached type greenhouse. Second one, porch type greenhouse. Third, freestanding type greenhouse. Fourth one, pit type greenhouse. And last one, cold type greenhouse. First one, attached type of greenhouse. So as shown in the below figures, this attached type of greenhouse does not have to be a separate structure sitting all by itself out in a field. So it is not a separate building or structure. So it is connected to our original living rooms, adjacent to the living rooms. It can very well part of our house. As a matter of fact, it is quite cheaper to build a greenhouse as any addition to the existing house. It has the advantages that it can draw the heat from any already heated structures when required and can return excess heat when conditions are sunny. So when the heat is excess heat is produced here, it can be returned to it. Next one, in fact, if it is a built right location with respect to the existing windows and doors, it can be very good heat sources of the house. Next type is porch type of greenhouse. This type may be designed as the entrance to a house, factory or office. So as same as the above, this is also constructed the structure as nearby the adjacent to the house, factory or office. The all glass structures is often built onto existing home to make use of the sunlight and give the feelings of being close to the natures. It can be slightly different shapes based on the styles of glass used. So the structure may be different. It may curved shape or it may be straight shape depending upon the glass used. They usually have some windows opening and track to insulate the against the variation in temperature. So to avoiding the variation of the temperature, you can use the insulate here. The porch type is a room that can be used in all seasons, not only in summer or winters. It may be used in all the seasons. Okay. Next one is freestanding and pit type of greenhouse. Freestanding and pit type of greenhouse are not directly attached to any building or greenhouse. As told of first two, they are attached to the main houses, but in case of freestanding and pit type of the greenhouses are free from the our houses. So it is built far away from the houses or independent house. They are separate structures sitting all by themselves. These two types have insulated walls on the northeast and west sides. The walls are suitably designed to permit maximum reflection of the incoming radiation into the plant canopy. That means whatever the radiation comes from the suns, it should be maximum to plant canopy. The enough storage facilities are provided to meet the requirements. The pit type, however, differ from the freestanding type, being partially shrunk in the shown in the below figures 2 and 3. You can comparison these two figures. It has the advantage of being in contact with the temperature stability of the deep earth, as seen in the diagrammatically. Freestanding greenhouse, second one is the pit type of greenhouse. The looking is same, but different is it is constructed on the above the ground level or the level of the ground level, but in the pit type of the greenhouse it is immersed in the grounds as shown in the diagrams. Okay. Cold type of greenhouse. Next one is cold type greenhouse. Cold frames type of the greenhouses, which are simple hotbeds or plant forcing frames equipped with a sloping roof. This type of the greenhouse is oriented on east-west axis and has southern facing wall and roof as transparent. All the roofs are transparent. So the greenhouse is constructed on the east-west axis and have the southern facings. The tilt of the roof is suitably designed to that optimum transmittance of the solar radiations. The roof of the above the building may be some tilted because of it. The aim is to aim is to optimum the transmittance of the solar radiation. The maximum radiation maybe comes from the suns. Okay. The tilt of the south wall is properly decided so as to permit the adequate interior heat radiations. Okay. Next one is summer greenhouse. Summer greenhouse is constructed in those countries where the outside ambient temperature is very low, very high compared to the plant growth temperatures. Those countries having the higher temperatures, and that countries may adopted the summer greenhouses. Okay. Summer climate is characterized by high ambient temperatures, clear sky and high humidities. So one has to design of greenhouses such that inside temperature may not reach very high, because outside temperature is more already, so it should be below the outside temperatures. This type of the greenhouses has two set of windows placed in the south as well as the north walls, as shown in the figures. These having the walls constructed here. Okay. These windows can be used to cool the greenhouse by free convections. Another way is to duct the windows in south walls through air is blown. After it has evaporative cooled by passing through the evaporative pads. Also, south wall is covered by removable insulations. Required radiation can be admitted through east and west walls. The interior of north wall is usually coated with reflecting paint. So this wall have the painted on the this one. It is actually it's having some metals pieces, so it's it's having some paints. Many innovative ideas have been incorporated into the greenhouse designs. Both passive and active methods separately or in combinations are made use of for meeting the energy need of greenhouses. One such is soil bed settings from the solar energies. Network of pipes are laid in the soil beds, and through these hot water can be circulated for soil heatings. So in this area some hot pipes are provided here for purpose of soil heating. The whatever water contains here, that water may be heated through these systems. That water is useful for the heating of the soils. Okay. Next one is winter greenhouse. Winter greenhouse is constructed in those countries where the outside ambient temperature is very low compared to the requirement of the plant ground, where the cold countries, more cold countries are adopted this winter greenhouses. Okay, it is to be used for the heating purposes because the countries that area is having so much of the cold, so this system is the winter greenhouse system is used. Hence, attention is to be given to catch enough of the incoming warmth from the sun south sides. It is usually made of glass, sometimes doubly glazed, and interior surface of the north wall is painted white, as shown in the below figures. This double glazing glass may be used here. Is shown in the sun's rays comes here and reflected to the plants here. The use of movable insulations to prevent unwanted heat losses. Provision for storage facilities to account for the demand during sundown hours. Windows are provided in east and west wall for the ventilation purpose. So now the advantages of greenhouses. The following are the advantages of using the greenhouses. First one, a greenhouse structure is less expensive to build than a fully insulated structures. So greenhouse structure, the cost of the construction is less as compared to the constructing of the fully insulated structures. Okay, a source of inexpensive, good quality food that one grown itself. Okay, a very good quality food that one growth itself. A source of additional heat for the house attached here. There it is one of the additional source of the house. A source of moderator for the humidity in the house. It is also a source of a moderator for the humidity in the house. Good distribution of light inside the greenhouse. The distribution of the sunlight inside the house is throughout insides, that helps to all the plants. The greenhouse covers have the ability to change the direction of the sun rays. So this greenhouse should have the ability to change the direction of sun rays to avoiding the sun rays directly to the plant. So the main purpose of the using the greenhouse is to avoiding the rays falls on the plants directly. Next one, control of microclimates. So it controls the microclimates. The protection against disease, pest and other warmings. So it can protect the solar greenhouse can protect the against diseases, pest and other warmings. Excellent ventilation is there. Increased production. So the production of the food or vegetables, all these things is more as compared to the conventional type of the systems. The production of seasons. So the production is always done here. The production in region with adverse weather conditions. Those where the adverse weather condition is there, in that area is also the production is more and more. Ability to grow all the years. So this system is grown throughout the year. Water requirements of crops very limited and easy to control. Whatever the controlling of the water requirements is, water requirements of the crops very limited and easy to control. So consumption of the waters is less here. Okay. Next one is disadvantages of greenhouses. So following are the disadvantages. It can be expensive to build. The construction of the systems, it takes some cost. Can be expensive to heat, that means the cost is more here. Requires constant monitoring, maintenance and care. It requires some monitoring and maintenance care. Could you increase the electrical and water bills? Here, whatever the waters, all these things, it requires some current, electric current. So may detract from the aesthetic appeal of a garden. So the looking of the gardens maybe not looks very good. Okay. So next one is MCQ, multi-choice questions. In first question, direct solar energy is used for. The option is 4. First one is water heating, second distillation, C drying. Water heating, distillation, drying. So direct solar energy is used for all these 3. That means answer is D is correct. Next one, the following is indirect method of solar energy utilization. Indirect method of solar energy utilization. Here wind energy, biomass energy, wave energy. These are not a direct method of solar energies. So these are the indirect type of the energies. So answer is all of the above. That means answer D is correct. Third question is, the collection efficiency of the flat plate collector can be improved. First one is putting a selective coating on the plate. B, evacuating the space above the observer plate. So these 2 points are correct. So both A and B are correct. So answer is C1. Next question number 4. The maximum efficiency is obtained in. The maximum efficiency is obtained in. First one is flat plate collectors, evacuated tube collectors, line focusing collectors and parabolic dish collectors. These are the collectors, the rays are observing materials. So flat plate collectors, evacuated tube collectors, line focusing collector and parabolic dish type of the collectors. So answer 1 is D, because parabolic means it is in the half round shape. So the rays comes from the suns, it concentrate in a one point. So when the concentrated in a single point, the efficiency of the heat maybe takes maximum. So that is the correct answer is parabolic dish type of the collectors. Next question, 5th one. Absorption of solar radiation at Earth's surface occurs due to presence of. Absorption of solar radiations at Earth's surface occur due to presence of. Having here 3 answers: ozone, water vapor, carbon dioxide and all of the above. That means the atmosphere having all these 3, ozone layer is there, water vapor is there, carbon dioxide is there. So answer is D, 1 is correct. Question number 6. A greenhouse is built of materials that passes sunlight, absorbs sunlight, reflect sunlight, or any of the above. the greenhouse is built of a material that passes the sunlight. The answer A is correct, because the main motto of the material is to pass the rays. So that is passes the sunlight is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following results obtained due to cutting down of trees? Okay. First, providing more fresh oxygen. No. Providing more pure water. No. Cause greenhouse effect. Cause increase in rain. No. The cutting down of trees is effects on only for providing more for greenhouse effects only, because when the cutting of the trees, its effects on giving the oxygens, its effects on pure waters, and it cause of it is effects on the rains. So these are the not suitables. The answer C only one is correct. Next one. Why the temperature inside the car is much warmer than the outside temperature when the car that has been left parked in the sun for a couple of hours? Okay. Answer 1, due to air pollution. B, due to smoke. C, due to sudden climate change. And fourth, due to greenhouse effect. All these three are not concerns A, B, C. Only due to the greenhouse effect, these point its effects. So answer is D1 is correct. Next one. Which of the following is not a major greenhouse gas? We are having around 4 here. Ozone gas, water vapors, methane, carbon dioxide. Out of these 4 gases, only one, that is ozone, is not a major greenhouse gas. Okay. Conclusion. Solar greenhouse technology is a one way of the using solar energy. So solar greenhouse energy technology is only one way of using of the solar energy. It provides ideal environment for plants in all the years. Okay. For opening the vegetables, fruits and flowers which are out of season or from another climate conditions. Okay. By preparing up these slides, referring the following books and preparing up this one, thanks to our senior staffs, Gopinath sir, K Chairman, SJ Polytechnic, Bangalore, Jagdish R Bagli sir, LMS coordinators, GPT Bagepalli, Prakash Kumbar sir, moderator, GPT Kushalnagar, R Ganeshan sir, subject expert number 1, J. Mullah sir, subject expert number 3, GPT Vijaypura, Prakashaya N. Bhan sir, content number 1, content developer number 1, and J. Mullah sir, content development number 2. Thank you.